Hello. So a lot of people have been coming to me recently saying that they want to learn how to make themselves up, how to do a simple makeup for themselves for daily activities, work, and that is why I'm creating this video for you guys, so that I can show you the different brushes that you need as a beginner for your daily makeup routine. So this is Sylvia, and you're welcome to Kesy-Content blog YouTube channel, where we talk about all things beauty and maybe a little bit of fashion. I'm going to be taking you through the different makeup brushes that you need and how you can identify them and how you use them. So let us start with the powder brush. The powder brush is usually very fluffy and soft. It is used to apply powder, like the name implies. So of course you need this to apply your powder towards the end of your makeup. I have another powder brush. I got this for 800 naira. If you like it extra fluffy and extra soft, you can go for this. It is really mild on the skin. And then you need a foundation brush. Now your foundation brush, you're going to use it to apply your foundation. Now there are different tools you can actually use. If you don't want to use this foundation brush, which has really flat edges at both ends, so it makes it really easy to apply your foundation on your face. If you don't want to use this, you can use a beauty blender. You can also get a beauty blender anywhere around. Then you need a spooling brush. Now the spooling brush is like a comb for your brows. Before you draw your brows, you use your spooling brush to brush your brows, brush it up onto the side before you apply your eye pencil. You also need a concealer brush. Now the concealer brush is also flat at both ends. Now you use this to conceal your brows. You also use it to apply concealer in the areas of your face that you want to highlight. So yeah, that's a concealer brush for you. So another tool we're needing is your eyeliner brush. Usually your eyeliners come with the brushes, but if they don't, you need to get yourself an eyeliner brush. Now you use it to apply your eyeliner, and I have a whole tutorial on how to apply your eyeliner, and I'm going to put the link down there for you to click on it and learn how to draw your eyeliner. Yes, so you need your eyeliner brush. So you need a flat eyeshadow brush. Now this flat eyeshadow brush, you use it to apply eyeshadow on your eyelids. It's like very, very, very important to get an eyeshadow brush, a flat eyeshadow brush. This beauty right here is a blending brush. Now you also need a blending brush to blend out your eyeshadow. Don't worry, I'm going to do a whole tutorial on how to apply eyeshadow for you guys to learn. So this is it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. And get your tools that you need for your daily makeup, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'll take my time to teach you guys how to apply your makeup step by step for beginners. I'm actually after beginners right now, because this is like my second video on YouTube. So kindly subscribe to my channel, and I'll be sure to create great content for you guys. Thank you.